Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage. Spotted this one in a charity shop. Remote control stunt bugs. A cute little bug to spin and whiz around. Cost me £1.50. I have seen them before, but this is the first time I've seen one for £1.50. Tobar is the toy company name. And I've just noticed rattling around in there is the aerial, because I've plugged it in to charge it up, and it's charged up, the light's gone out. So switch him on, screw the aerial in. That's the charger bit. Switch that on. Oh, it was on anyway. Oh, because it was charging. Looks like we got a worker. Okay, I'll move the camera a bit so we can see it going. There's a bit of noise in the background because it's raining hard outside. And that's the receipt. Yeah, £1.50 from Sue Ryder at Emerson's Green. That's the charity shop. Another one of those little fun cars I can take with me on holiday in my holiday suitcase. Forwards and backwards. Because it's one of those ones that should do stunts as well. I suppose you've got to go forwards and backwards to get it up on the back. Doesn't seem to have enough grip to do that. Well, there we go. Yeah, a bit small for the camera. And they've made it fun by making it a ladybird. And the other one was a bumblebee, wasn't that? Oh, stay in the camera so we can see it. Yeah, fully working and only cost me £1.50. Oh, I'm very pleased with that. Like I say, that'll go in my holiday suitcase. Well, actually I say suitcase, it goes in the computer bag because I take the laptop on holiday. So, a little beauty.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.